Good morning all. I am here to discuss about three questions. The first question, problem number 3 on page number 290. The question, a shepherd lives on a straight coastline and has 500 meters of fencing with which to enclose his sheep. Assuming that he uses the coastline as one side of the rectangular enclosure, what dimension should be the rectangle have in order that the sheep have the largest possible area in which to graze, and we have to find the dimensions of the rectangular enclosure. Then let L be the length and W be the breadth, and area is A. Then area A equal to L into W. This is equation number 1. Since there are 500 meters of fencing variable, then L plus 2W equal to 500 is equation number 2. We want to maximize A from equation 1 and equation 2. Then A equal to 500 minus 2W into W equal to 500W minus 2W square. Thus, the region A is differentiable function of W, then 0 less than or equal to W less than or equal to 250. And we have to differentiating with respect to W. dA by dW equal to 500 minus 4W is equal to 4 into 125 minus W. Therefore, dA by dW equal to 0 when W equal to 125. Also, d square A by dW square equal to minus 4 less than 0. This is a negative number. Therefore, it's a relative maximum at W equal to 125. The value of A at a critical point of W equal to 125, and the end point is W equal to 0 and W equal to 500. Then A of 125 equal to 31,250. A of 0 equal to 0, A of 500 equal to 0. The maximum area is 31,250 centimeter square centimeter at W equal to 125. When W equal to 125, L equal to 500 minus 2 into 125 equal to 250. Therefore, the rectangular region should be 250 meter long in the direction parallel to the coastline, and 125 in the direction perpendicular to the coastline. That is 250 meter length and 125 meter breadth. The next question, problem number 4 on page number 220. Your Ironworks has contracted to design a build a 500 cubic feet square based open top rectangular steel holding tank for a paper company. The tank is to be made by welding half inches thick stainless steel plates together along their edges. As the production engineer, your job is to find dimensions for the face and height that will make the tank weigh as little as possible. What dimensions do you tell the shop to use? Here we also find the dimensions of the tank. Let x feet be the length and the side of the square base area, and y feet be the height of the steel tank. And the volume x square y equal to 500, y equal to 500 by x square. And the surface area of the tank A equal to x square plus 4xy equal to x square plus 4x into 500 by x square, and equal to x square plus 2000 by x. Thus A is differentiable function because this is an polynomial equation. This domain is open interval 0 to infinity, open interval infinity. In differentiating A with respect to x, dA by dx equal to 2x minus 2000 by x square, dA by dx equal to 0, 2x minus 2000 by x square equals 0. Therefore, we got x equal to 10. Also, d square by dx square equal to 2 minus 2000 into minus 2 by x cube equal to 2 plus 4000 by x cube. So d square a by dx square at x equal to 10 is equal to 6 greater than 0. This is a positive number. the surface area A, and hence the weight of the tank is minimum when x equal to 10. When x equal to 10, y equal to 500 by x square equal to 5. Therefore, the uh, um, length of the square base area is 10 feet and the height of that steel tank is 5 feet. Next question, problem number 5 on page number 221. A rectangular is to be inscribed in a semicircle of radius 2. What is the largest area of the rectangle can have and what are its dimensions? Let ABCD with a rectangle inscribed in a semicircle with the radius 2 and the midpoint is O. The center is O and the length of the rectangle is 2x and the breadth is y. Then AB equal to CD equal to 2x and BC equal to DA equal to 5. This we got from the figure. Consider the right angle at B. OB equal to x, BC equal to y and OC equal to radius equal to 2. Then by the Pythagoras theorem, OC square equal to OB square plus BC square equal to 4 equal to x square plus y square and y equal to root of 4 minus x square. Let A denote the area of the rectangle. A equal to 2xy into 2x into root of 4 minus x square. Thus A is a function of x varying 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. Therefore, A is differentiable function on closed interval 0 and closed interval 2. Differentiating A with respect to x, dA by dx equal to 2 into root of 4 minus x square plus minus 2x square by root of 4 minus x square is equal to 2 into 4 minus x square minus 2x square all divided by root of 4 minus x square equal to 4 into 2 minus x square divided by root of 4 minus x square. Therefore, dA by dx equal to 0 and x equal to plus or minus root 2. Since x is equal to minus 2 is not a point of domain, it's inadmissible. Therefore, we can therefore x equal to root 2. Also d square by a by dx square equal to minus 2x by root of 4 minus x square minus 4x by root of 4 minus x square minus 2x cube by 4 minus x square all raised to 3 by 2. Then d square a by dx square at x equal to root 2 it's equal to minus 8 is less than 0. Hence a has a relative maximum because we got a negative number, that's minus 8. At x equal to root 2, the value of a at the critical point x equal to root 2 and the endpoints x equal to 0 and x equal to a of root 2 equal to 2 root 2 into root of minus 4 minus 2 is equal to 4. A of 0 equal to 0, a of 2 equal to 0. Therefore, the area has a maximum value for when the rectangle is of length equal to 2x into 2 root x units and the breadth y equal to root of 4 minus x square equal to root of 4 minus 2 is equal to root 2 units and the length is therefore the length is 2 root 2 units and the breadth is root 2 units. Thank you.